This is going to be a quick video showing you how to create a custom air raid playbook in Madden 22. So the first thing you want to do is scroll over to settings and click on the NFL logo, and then scroll down to playbooks. So we're going to start out here with Arizona's offensive playbook. What you want to do is go to my playbook and go to any of the plays in the formations pistol spread, pistol trips left open, or pistol strong slot open. And you're going to go and rate any of those plays as half a star. It doesn't matter which one, you just want something so that when you go and remove other plays, it doesn't complain about you have that being the last play of its type. So the reason why I have strong slot open in there is there are a few plays in the game that have hidden ratings. You can't edit them, you can't remove them. You just have to leave them alone and figure out which formations that you can't remove, and strong slot open is one of them. So once you've done that, you want to go through and just remove all your other formations except those three. Remove your single back, your I form, your other pistol sets, and everything from shotgun. The reason you want to do this is remove all the clutter, get all the plays out there that you're never going to use out of your playbook. Also, when you're creating your custom playbook, you want to have your formations in an order that makes sense. So when you go back and add formations, that's the order your formations are going to be in. Once you have everything emptied out, I recommend saving the emptied out version of the playbook as something, so you have a base version to go back to later if you want to change the order of your formations or create a new custom playbook. So what I normally like to do is just name it as like emptied out or empty something. So here, just change it to empty 2. There you go, that's how you create your base version that you're going to expand off of and create your other playbooks. So once you've done that, go back in, go to all plays, and use your left trigger, go down to your shotgun sets, and just start adding the formations you want. Of course, you want to make sure you have this all mapped out beforehand, what the formations are that you want and what order you want them in. Because the order you add them in here is the order they're going to be in your playbook. So normally what I like starting out with is your spread flex weak, and then adding your spread Y flex, your spread Y slot, spread, and so on. Once you've added all the formations you want, you can go set up your audibles. Now when doing this, you may have to go back and do it a few times because they don't save correctly. So once you've got all your audibles set, go into practice mode and check them and see which ones didn't save correctly. So for the ones that didn't save correctly, I don't have a good method to fix them. It's mainly just trial and error. What I'll do is go back into your custom playbook editor and either remove the play that's the issue, or go in and set the play that's an issue as your custom audible, then set it back to the play that you want as your audible. If that makes any sense at all, it's kind of confusing. Worst comes to worst, you can always just change it in game. One final tip I have when creating your custom playbook is to not add too many plays to it. What I like to do is start out around 300 plays when my initial version of the playbook, and then over time whittle it down to around 200. So remove all the plays that you don't use over time, plays that you don't feel comfortable running, or plays that don't work. Just experiment around with it in practice mode and try some of them out in head-to-head. If you don't like it or you find yourself never using it, you don't want it in there cluttering up your playbook. So that's how I go about creating a custom playbook. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I will talk to you guys next time. Peace.